How to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. For this first step, refresh the page, press Ctrl plus R if you in Windows, or else if you in Mac, press Command plus R. Do it, and the next step, click Settings. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side and click Settings. Once clicking after you have seen the left hand side, all the setting options are there. You need to scroll down and click Reset Settings. In the Reset Settings, restore setting to the original default is there. You need to click it and reset it. Click Reset Settings. It will disable the cookies and temporary site and reset your entire Chrome settings. Once complete after, you need to go to Privacy and Security Settings. Click it, scroll down and click Security Settings. Scroll down. I have seen always use secure connection is there. You need to enable. It depends on you. It fully depends on you. You can enable it or else disable it. Sometimes the site that does not support security connections get warning before visiting the site. So for this you can turn it. It's security settings. So it's important settings too. You can turn it as on. It's secure for your device. So it depends on you. You can turn it enable or disable, and once again check it. So this is how to fix your